In my today's episode, I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken liver adobo. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Tulie Mary. So that's my chicken liver. I'm just going to open it from the pack and I clean it before cooking. My liver is clean, so I'm going to soak it with soy sauce first. About 20 minutes. Now that the 20 minutes are done, I'll first fry my liver in the cooking oil. I don't need to over fry it, so I'll fry it just a bit. Doesn't need to be dry completely. And I'll remove the liver from the pan. Then the same pan I've used for frying the liver, I'll add in cooking oil. Just a very little amount of cooking oil. Fry my ingredients. I'm only going to use the 3 ingredients: garlic, onions, and ginger. So I'll drop in the garlic first. The onions, the ginger. I'll then put back this very soy sauce I used for soaking the liver. I'll use it again. And adding some little water. I'm going to add in 1 spoonful of cornstarch flour. I'll mix it in cold water. So that's how my soup is looking after adding in the cornstarch flour. It's a little bit thick. So I'm going to add in the liver now, so that it cooks for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then it will be ready to serve. So let's add in the liver now. So I'm going to add in black pepper to spice it a bit. That's very little. You should please try out this recipe. It's so fast and easy. Thank you so much everyone for watching my today's episode. Hope you've loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and to hit on that bell button for more notifications. And please don't skip the ads. See you in my next episode.